So I broke another wheel off. I'm saturating it with the testers. See what happens. I don't know. I pull off. There's a whole chunk of like the glue and all that shit, and just like sliced or what do you call it? Layered. I could glue it 2 or 3 times, but I guess just to get the right spacing, I had turned the wheel around. But having troubles with this certain plastic. Holding on to that plastic that I used the caps. There's a big cap on the back side and a small cap on the front. The small cap in the front, I put the safety rings that stay on the bottle. Usually I pull those off and I put them in there for extra spacers I needed. But I want to go in there with something to kind of detail around the hub a little bit. All that just spray paint so far. I usually go back with the brush and all that and do, final details. But yeah, having troubles. Here's the front wheels. I think I'm finally getting them to stay. So it's a Coca-Cola or just a regular, bottle cap with the safety ring turned around on there too. That issues. Oh my god, it looks horrible. Had such issues trying to get them damn things to stay on there. And I can't see. So when I zoom in with this thing and I look at it, the big, zoom in, I'm like, oh my god, how horrible some of my shit is. But very interesting how some of just the spray, the different colors I sprayed, how it kind of just resembles rust. But I was gonna paint this. I was gonna put my secret. I don't use salt. I use other things, something else. But I don't know. I could just left the whole thing just rust. Leave the whole thing rust. Like I put any paint on it. Here is the engine that I was messing around with, the V12 that I made out of a straight six Cummins. I had showed pictures of it with the hot rod semi, but I was just testing the size and all that. But it does have the same colors, so but it's going in that thing. This one here, the engine is from the AMT hard hat hauler. Kind of dumb. They had the forks in the front where the small wheels are, the turning wheels and all that. So they had the forks in the wrong area. Now we're putting the forks in the back where they belong. But it'd be pretty cool. Looks mean with that hole in the hood. I wasn't gonna put a hood on it. I was just gonna leave it with the hood off. Of course, it ain't gonna focus. Oh my god! Yeah, as soon as I moved the camera, then it focused.